back to another video. I've had a little reaction this week. It's died down a bit now, but I ended up with, look, can you see how crinkled my hands have gone? I had all little blisters in here, look, and in here. I need to be very careful because this has happened a few times now and I can see what it is, I can tell. So I need to be very careful, and every time it happens, it's happening on this hand with these fingers, really, the ones that I'm getting stuck into gel with, wiping gel with my fingers. Don't do it, guys. I literally done it in a video that went out yesterday, wiped down the side of the, yeah, don't do it, because, yeah, don't do it. My friend Jo, her hands, she's so allergic, she can't touch anything. So yeah, I've got to start being more careful. Anyway, I've got a little bit of, gosh, there's little bits that have been straggling in from AliExpress. Shein, I've got a few bits from Amazon, so I'm just going to start going through it and see how far we get. So I'm going to start with AliExpress first. I got myself another one of these. I don't know if any of you remember, I got a pink one. And it's like souffle, it's like fluffy, fluffy gel, if you can, you know, get what I mean. Let me just use the tip of this brush and show you. It's like, it doesn't drip or self-level or anything. It is just, and you can't even feel it. You cannot feel your brush going through it or anything. It is the most peculiar stuff, but I love it. Yeah, I absolutely love it, and they've got some stunning colours. You're not going to be able to see this. It is a white, it's a milky white. I've swatched it, but it's got a holographic shimmer going through it. You're just not going to be able to see it. Let me just turn that off. Yeah, can you see a little bit the holographic shimmer it's got going through it? It is beautiful. All my bright lights on, you can't see it. Yeah, it's just got a really tiny little holographic shimmer going through it. It really is beautiful stuff. Yeah, you just can't see it under these lights at all. But it is very, very pretty. Yeah, they've got lots of different colours in this, so I really need to build a set using it. I think this is going to be best done on tips or with paper foams, because I really like the feel of it. So I grabbed myself another pot of that, and I got myself another brush. I don't know if any of you remember. This brush I got. Really, really nice detailer brush with the metal barrel on the end. I really liked it, so I've grabbed myself another one from this collection. But I grabbed this one. This is to help me with my French tips. When I'm doing French tips with gel polish, I can never get one side the same as the other side. So this apparently is, oh, I bent it. Silly girl. This apparently is to help with doing a French tip on. I don't want to break it in yet, so you would just, apparently it's supposed to help anyway, we'll see. You're meant to just dab it like that side and dab it that side, but we'll see, we'll see. Right, what else did we get? Oh, I got myself a little stamping book holder. I haven't got any of these small ones, so these are the small ones to put your small plates in, you know, your small square. These, look, I always have them in packets because, yeah, they don't fit in any of my big ones. So I got myself a little one, and that is just for these. Oh gosh, that's tight. Oh, I think these are for the round ones then, aren't they? Not the square ones, are they? Yeah, I think this is going to be for the round ones, because they don't seem to fit. Yeah, they don't seem to fit very easy at all. So I think this one actually, I'm going to have to check the listing because I'm sure it said it was for square ones. So I think I'm going to have to use this for my little round ones like that. Yeah, I'm sure it said square ones. I'll have to check, but yeah, them little square ones are definitely not going in there. So I'll have to use that one for round ones, but yeah, I needed it anyway. I'm a bit gutted actually. That doesn't fit the square ones, but I'll check the listing because I'm sure it's supposed to fit the square ones. So I've got that anyway. Ooh. Then I got some of my Lint-Free Wipes. I got them in pink. I normally get them in white. I don't know why I've always got them in white. But these are the stiff ones. They're really, really good. You don't get any lint off them. Whereas these ones, oh my god, I bought a pack of about 1,000 of these things. And they're crap. For starters, they don't absorb anything. It's so difficult to get them wet with alcohol and stuff. I just use these for dabbing my brush and stuff off now. And they do give off lint. They leave little rubbings on your nail. These do. And I've bought packets of these from all different places. I've got so many. But these ones, you just can't beat them. They're absolutely brilliant. And I seen Joe ordering the pink ones. And I thought, why are you not getting the pink ones? So I've got myself a pack of the pink ones now. Obviously. Then I've got a few little daft bits. These are cute. So this is all little accessories that I just recently got in a polygel kit. Look at these. Tiny little butterflies. I've actually got these in gold. But I've never seen them in the black. There's black ones in there. Yeah, look. I've got them in gold. I think I might have some silver ones. But I've never seen them in rose gold. Look. There's little rose gold ones. And there's black ones. Or like a gunmetal grey. Never seen them in that colour. And they are beautiful, aren't they? I like these rose gold ones. They're cute. Yeah, so they came in a polygel kit. These are cool. So these are all different size chains. So yeah, let's have a look at one of these. Yeah, look. Oh, I like that one. It's a cool one, isn't it? So it's just got all different styles of chain in there, hasn't it? So that's a bigger one. Oh, I like these. These are really shiny. These are really cool. Oh, I thought they were arrows. It's actually on a chain. Oh, I like them. Look at them. They're cool, aren't they? Yeah, I've not seen them before. And then there's these. These are just little iridescent sequins. So it's got hearts, stars, moons, flowers, dots. And then it's got these little diamond ones. They'd look cool, I think, done, encapsulated in a clear polygel, but matte, with a matte top coat. I think they'd look really cool. I haven't got anything like that. I like them. And then there's these. So these are all gold and silver. I liked these for these textured triangles and dots. I haven't got these. I've got gold dots, but just shiny ones. They're not textured. I like these gold textured ones. They're cool. And then we've got the little gold sticks. Gold and silver. Like frame kind of things, aren't they? They'll look really cool on a gem cluster nail, won't they? You see them better on that side, can't you? Yeah, I like these. I like these a lot. Cool. I've got so many of these. I'll probably put these straight in my giveaway box, but these are just the flame stickers. All different colours, gold, silver, and then, ooh, look at these. There's all these shiny, kind of like angel paper effects, aren't they? Oh, look at them ones. Yeah, I love these pastel ones. Yeah, so I've got all them. I always like this one. It's like ultraviolet, isn't it? And then that blue one's nice. Yeah, got a pack of them. Stick them back in the packet because I won't be keeping hold of them. Right, and then next I got a couple of bits from Shein. First I got myself a couple of folders. Let me open one I got these to put my stickers in. So they come flat like that, and obviously you just fold it back into place. And these are so skinny mini little folders, perfect to keep your stickers in. So you could put some in the front and some in the back, because at the moment I've been putting my stickers in these and they're so fat to go in my drawers, photo albums. You can fit a lot in it, to be fair, but I would much rather just have them all plain and all simple like this. I could maybe put my logo on the front, just all plain and simple like that. I would much rather have them in little folders like this. I think they're perfect for stickers, aren't they? So I grabbed a couple of them. I got these. I loved these for the opal green, the opal white and the opal pink. They are pointy back, but I got these to make my own little gem clusters, you know, up in the corner of a nail. These pointy backs are brilliant. And yeah, I loved the colour of these opal ones. They are beautiful. Look at them green ones. They're so pretty. Even these green. The purple, and it's got black. And so, oh, these are really, really pretty. I really, really like them. There's not a lot in there, so I might grab another pot of them, because I really, really like them. So I grabbed those quickly. I got these. Oh my gosh, guys, wait and see these. These are little, like, bronze kind of, are they bronze or antique gold? Metal. I'm trying to separate them all for you. Little metal charms. Look, we've got a little bear, a couple of bears and another bear, a bow. We've got like a wasp or a bee. Wasp. Yeah, a bigger bow. Aren't they cute? Look at the little teddy bears. Well, that's a teddy bear, and that one's a bunny rabbit, isn't it? And then there's a bear. How cute are they? I really like them. So I grabbed a pack of them. I think I'll have to save all my Amazon stuff for another video, because yeah, it's getting on. I grabbed myself a pack of these. These are off Shein as well. I could have done with these when I did that Aquarius set of nails. I did a subscriber request for someone called Nancy, and she never ever watched the video. I was gutted, but I could have done with these for that, couldn't I? Yeah, guys, remember that subscriber request I did for someone called A Cruz, and I flashed her comment up on the screen. She never watched the video. She's watched every video before it and every video after it, so she's missed it by accident, I think. But yeah, it's got all the store signs. They had these in gold and silver, but I think silver goes with everything, really, doesn't it? Whereas gold, it kind of doesn't. So I got them in silver. I could have just got them in both, couldn't I? The cheapest chips. Anyway, quickly, let's get a shimmy on. I got some of these adorable little fellas. Teeny weeny little spaceman. My friend Dawn just recently sent me one of these. But how cute are they? Little teeny weeny spaceman holding a star. That's a pack of 10, I think. They are the cutest, aren't they? Right, quickly. Look at these, guys. So these are like, I don't know if they're made out of wood or cord. Oh, shit. These are going to be brilliant for summer. So we've got like rainbow roses, rainbow lips. It's got Eiffel Towers in there. It's got the word love, look. And then it's got colourful hearts. Aren't these weird? And it's got this woman from the back. Aren't they bizarre? And it's got more lips, look. Where's them other lips gone? Look, it's got them kind of lips. Aren't they cool? I thought they were really different. I like them a lot. You know me, I like quirky stuff, and I thought they were really quirky. Right, lastly, I think I'll leave it there, guys, because the video's ticked on. I'll save everything for next time. I got some little stickers for summer. Aren't they cute? I think they're going to be really nice on sunflower nails or just honeybee nails. Aww, look at these little teeny weeny ones. Little fat buggers, aren't they? Anyway guys, that is it. So that's just my stuff I got off AliExpress and Shein. I'll save all my other stuff for another day. But yeah, that's it for today guys. As always, I will leave links below. If I do miss any, just let me know. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. See what I did there? I'm gonna keep that. That's a good one. But yeah, that's it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.